the dog rider just went off chasing an antelope. Good luck, pup. You're never gonna catch that thing. What a lovely early morning at the lake. Ate some melon and a blueberry fritter and had some coffee. Like, Wyoming! Surprising me. So much fun. Hi. Hey. Dog has so much energy. Stella. Puppy. Come over here. Little pink flower. Road walk. Raps and I are in McDonald's and we're having coffee.
I didn't even know you were recording.
Yeah. So I'm in McDonald's and I'm like, oh, what's worldwide favorites? And they have two Canadian things. They have tomato mozzarella crispy chicken and grilled chicken. And I'm like, they don't even have this on the menu in Canada. So how is this like a Canadian favorite? This is like a Canadian unknown. These guys are biking east to west across America. And it's funny because I'm walking south to north, so it's like, took a shower in Link's room, and now liquor store! Liquor store, liquor store, liquor store, liquor store. We are in the liquor store, liquor store. Banana time, and oh no.
If you didn't know, she's a YouTube celebrity.
And with yogurt for everything. Yeah, anyways. Okay, so this is my first Wyoming craft beer. This is from Black Tooth Brewing Company in Sheridan, Wyoming. No idea where that is. This is a brown ale and it's called Saddle Bronc. And the tagline here, I don't know if it's for the brewery or for the beer in particular. Let's make them feel a little better on Saturday night. Well, let's see if this will make her feel a little better on Thursday night. See what I did there? Okay, just pretend that didn't fall. This is a shout out to Craig. Thank you for the beer. Brown ale. Very faint nutty flavor, very faint malty flavor. What is percent? Oh, it's because it's 4.8. Okay. I like my brown ales a little stronger than that. It's a little bit too light tasting for me, but it's not bad. It's just like diluted down brown ale. That's my review.
Nothing wrong with two men in the bed lotioning up.
If you ain't moisturizing, you're dying, yo.
The sun is brutal.
If I fuck myself now, I'll be fucked.
Look who it is! It's Raps, and it's Link, and it's Jake, whose name is now Snowcat, outside of the Econo Lodge. They are smoking cigarettes. And we don't smoke cigarettes, so we're in the room watching boring hockey. Hockey!
Hockey!
Hockey! So we are in Wyoming in Rawlins watching hockey, and shout out to Richard for the beer. It's a tall can of Stella Artois. Stella is one of my favorite imports because it's a dependable to be an easy drinking favorite. So thank you, Richard, for the Stella. You know what the worst beer in the world is?
What?
Michelob Ultra. What percentage of alcohol is it? 4.2, 95 calories, absolutely no taste. How can you drink that beer?
Very easily.
Yeah, it goes down easy.
So I decided to go down to the hotel bar, and the other guys are watching The Office, but I wanted to try something new. So this is also from that Wyoming brewery, Blackthorn, whatever, sorry. This is called a Hot Streak IPA. It's alright. Nothing special here. So far, What is this brewery called here? Black Tooth Brewery in Wyoming. Not really thrilled by you. But anyways, that's all right. Thank you, Joe, for the beer. Cheers.